Hey, what's up guys, Fix Alex here, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove and replace spark plugs on this 2014 Mazda 3. The first step is to pop your hood. Super simple. So pop your hood just like that, put the stand, make sure you put it in the right position. This is the tools that you guys gonna need: flathead, 14mm and 8mm. Step number 2, to remove engine cover. Just pull it gently up. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 and 4 clips. Put it to the side. This is your ignition coil. Using flathead, remove your ignition coil. Gently, you need to press it here and then wiggle it, and you're gonna be able to remove it. So remove, disconnect your engine ignition coil. Remove 8mm bolts. I'm sorry for the noise. Remove your ignition coil, put to the side. It's good to mark it so you can remember which cylinder is for what. Now remove your spark plugs. This car has 110,000 miles, and I don't think so somebody changed it. Now you can use your ignition coil to remove your spark plugs. Come on. I don't have right socket, so that's why I'm using ignition coil. Come on, spark plug. Yeah, just like that. So this is the... oh, why it's so dark? Looks like the oil is leaking in this cylinder. All right, so just keep doing that. Remove all 4 of them, and I hope you can see the part number. It's P as a Peter, E as a East, 5, R as a rabbit, 18110. Okay, this space is a way bigger than it's supposed to be, so I'm gonna adjust it. Don't do it. This is just for professionals like me. Okay, this is proper space. Now I'm gonna install the new spark plug. We're gonna pretend this is new spark plug. So do not throw it inside cylinder, by the way, because you can damage the... you can change the space. Okay, just guide it so you can... do not use power tools on your spark plugs, never, because if you damage cylinder head, guys, it's gonna be at least 1500 to fix it. So never use power tools. Okay, tighten with your hand, and then using your wrench, medium force, guys, not too crazy. I would say 15 pounds. If you have torque wrench, I have torque wrench, but I did it so many times I don't need it. Now install your ignition coils, secure them and connect them, and you guys all set. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and comment what else should I record next about this car. Thank you and bye.